Good morning students. Today we will study revision chapter 6 whole and parts of fraction. Then first we study what is a fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. That is, then this is a whole. Then I divided into 4 parts. Then this is I shaded in one part. That is, what is the fraction of shaded part? 1 upon 4. What is the fraction of unshaded part? 3 upon 4. That is 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. That is 1. This is the whole part. Then first we study equivalent fraction. Write. Then this is the above the line is called the numerator. The below the line is called the denominator. The line above the line is called numerator, the number above the line is called numerator, the number below the line is called denominator. Our first question is find, write or find first 5, find first 5 equivalent fraction of equivalent fraction of find first 5 equivalent fraction of 3 by 11. Our question, find first 5 equivalent fraction of 3 by 11. First you write 3 by 11. We get an equivalent fraction. We multiply or divide by numerator and denominator by same number. We get an equivalent fraction. We multiply numerator and denominator by same number, or we get an equivalent fraction, we divide by numerator and denominator by same number. Here first we multiply by 1 by 1. Why you not take 1 by 1? That is the same fraction we get. Therefore we start with 2 by 2. 3 by 7 is also a equivalent fraction, that is same number come, same fraction come. Therefore we start with 2 by 2. Then next 3 by 11 multiply 3 by 3. Next 3 by 11 multiply 4 by 4. Next 3 by 11 multiply 5 by 5. Next 3 by 11 multiply 6 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we multiply this. 3 2 ja 6. Then 22. Here 9 by 33. Here 12 by 44. Here 15 by 55, here 18 by 66. The equivalent fractions are, the equivalent fractions are 6 by 12, 6 by 22, 9 by 33, 12 by 44, 15 by 55, then 18 by 66. Understand you? This is the equivalent fraction. Understand you how to find the equivalent fraction? Then we multiply by numerator and denominator by same number. Then here find the first 4 equivalent fraction. You 3 by 11 multiply 2 by 2 up to you take 5 by 5. Okay. Then as convert mixed fraction into convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Mixed into improper fraction. Here 7 1 by 4. This is a mixed fraction. In a mixed fraction, a whole number and a proper fraction. 7 is a whole number and 1 by 4 is a proper fraction. Our question is convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. First, in mixed fraction, there is a formula here. Whole number multiply denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Say the formula. Whole number multiply denominator plus numerator upon denominator. What is our whole number? 7. 7 is our whole number. 7 multiply denominator 4 plus 1 upon 4. That is 7 4 ja 28. 28 plus 1 29 upon 4. Understand you how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. What is the formula? Whole number multiply denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Then whole number means this 7. Then denominator means 4. Here numerator means 1. Then next convert improper into mixed fraction. Convert improper into mixed fraction, into mixed. Convert improper into mixed fraction. This is our improper. How to identify the numerator big, denominator small? That number is improper. First you divide this number. First you divide 25. Then the table of 6, how many times gone? 4 times. 24, then divide 1. Then there is a formula here, quotient. Quotient, then here remainder, here divisor. That is our denominator. The quotient, remainder, divisor. Then first you write our quotient. What is our quotient? 4. 4, then remainder 1, then divisor. Answer. What is our answer? 4 1 by 6. Understand you? Convert improper into mixed fraction. Convert improper into mixed fraction. First we divide. Then there is a formula, quotient, remainder divisor. That is 4 is our quotient, 1 is our remainder, then 6 is our divisor. Then compare the number. Compare or then 7 by 13 and 9 by 13. First you look here, the denominators are same. Yes. Then first you look which is greater numerator here. 9 is greater, therefore you put this side. Then 7 upon 11 and 7 upon 3. In this question, numerators are same, denominators are different. Numerators are same, denominators are different. In this question, which is greater? Smaller the denominator is greater. When the smaller the denominator is greater, when the numerators are same, smaller the denominator is greater. Which is greater? This is. That is a toffee. We divided into how many? 7 part you get. Here a toffee we divided into we divided into 3 part. Here we divided into 11 part. Which is greater? One toffee we divided into 3 part. That is this part. Then this toffee we divided into 11. Then which toffee you get in greater part? This toffee. Therefore, when the numerators are same, smaller the denominator is greater. This is the comparing of fraction. Next, arrange in ascending and descending order. Arrange in order. Arrange in ascending and descending order. Arrange in ascending and descending order. 7 by 15, 4 by 15, 3 by 15 and 8 by 15. First we arrange this question in ascending order, then descending order. In ascending order, we arrange smaller to bigger. In ascending order, we arrange smaller to bigger. Here the denominators are same. Here the denominators are same. First you look in the numerator. Which is smaller numerator? This. You write 3 by 15, then 4 by 15, then 7 by 15 and 8 by 15. This is the ascending order. Now the descending order, again you check here the denominators are same. Which is greater? 8. 8 by 15 greater to smaller. Then 7 by 15, then 4 by 15, then 3 by 15. This is ascending and descending of fraction. Next, how to add and subtract. Add the following. Yes, 3 by 13 plus 4 by 13. Here the denominators are same. Therefore, you add 3 plus 4 upon 13. You don't add the denominator. Only you add the numerator. Here, what is our answer? 7 by 13. You add only numerator, don't add denominator, okay? First you write 3 plus 4 upon 13, then you add 3 and 4, then 7 by 13. Next, subtract the following. Subtract 11 by 17 minus 5 by 17. Here the denominators are same. First you write 11 minus 5 upon 17. Then only you subtract numerator and numerator. Don't subtract denominator and denominator. You write 11 minus 5 upon 17 is equal to 6 upon 17. Understand you how to add? Then this chapter, I think you understand this chapter again. Okay. Then you practice this chapter. Okay. Thank you.